Hi Ambassadors, I'm Gabriel Reyes from STEMstrand, and today I brought something with me that represents my passion, and it's this. Yes, it's a keyboard. At first glance, it's just a set of keys, but when you look at it, for me, it's a gateway to creating, learning, and solving problems through technology. This keyboard has been with me from countless moments, from typing school projects, playing online games, to writing lines of codes, from researching scientific topics to designing creative outputs. It represents my fascination with computers and how they can turn ideas into reality. Each key I press is like a small step forward toward building something bigger, whether it's a program, a design, or even just an idea talking shape on the screen. You know, being in STEMstrand taught me that technology isn't about just devices. It's about problem solving, innovation, and making life better and easier. There were times that I struggled, yes, especially when learning something new, like understanding how systems work and other lot of things. At first, it felt overwhelming, yes, just like facing a blank screen. But with practice, patience, and a bit of curiosity, I realized that every problem has a solution. You just need to keep trying and trying the right keys that needs to be pressed. This keyboard reminds me of the importance of precision. In coding, one wrong letter can cause so many errors. In life, one small decision can lead to big changes. So, STEM has helped me develop not only technical skills but also perseverance and attention to details. In the near future, I think I see myself working in the field of computer science or engineering, using tools like this keyboard to create software, design systems, or maybe even develop technology that can help communities. This simple object reminds me that innovation starts with an idea. And to me, this keyboard is more than just plastic and wires. It's a symbol of opportunity. Every key is a choice. Every click is a step forward to my goals. In STEM, we don't just press keys. We unlock possibilities. And that's all. Thank you.